What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Dre's Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about Logitech Meetup. Now, the system that I'll be using to show you guys is a very specific system to our needs in our office, meaning that we have a standalone computer being used so that way we have a reduction of amount of wires on the table for people to plug in, okay? We have a dedicated keyboard and mouse on top of the desk that gives access to a standalone computer, and the standalone computer is attached to the Logitech 4K camera as well as the television that we have available. Now the sound system comes in very different because we're not using the speakers from Logitech. We're using 4 overhead speakers from a surround sound system. So with that said, it's a little bit of a setup that needs to be done the first time you use it, but once you have it set up, you're good to go. You don't have to worry about it. It will remember your settings every time you log in using your user. Okay, so let's dive right into it. Alright guys, the first time you log into the computer may take a few seconds, but all you need to log into this computer is your username and password that you have for your computer. On this video I will be using user 1 just to show you how easy it is to set up the computer. After you turn on the television and the computer, there may be other users logged in. In order for you to get to your username, all you have to do is go to the bottom left corner of the screen and you will see the option to other users. You just click on that, and at that moment you will type in your username and then your password. The first time you log in, it will take a second or two to get your profile up and running. However, you will have access to your network drive. If your Teams does not populate, as it shows right now on the screen like this, and you do not see it over here, Microsoft Teams, all you have to do is, if you go to your File Explorer in the bottom, you can go to this PC, O Drive, and you can see it over here, Teams Windows. Okay, you click on that and it will open for you automatically. Okay. You can also log into your OneDrive, since everybody's computer in the office is on the OneDrive. If you log into your OneDrive over here, you can then have access to things that are on your desktop or in your documents or your downloads. Now that we are logged in, let's go ahead and get into the sound testing. Make sure our speakers are working, our microphones working, so we can have an amazing meeting ahead of us. Number 1 over here, you're going to come up to the little gear on the settings over here, and we want to go through the settings of audio and video. Video, we're only going to have one option, which is Logitech Meetup over here. Okay, you want to have it on Logitech Meetup. And on the audio, we want to have it Samsung. Okay, and for the microphone, we want to have echo canceling speakerphone. On Microsoft Teams, let's open again, me now, we want to have about the same settings. Okay, for the speakers, you want to have Samsung again. Okay, and the microphone, you want to have the echo canceling over here. Then obviously you want to turn on the camera. Hope you guys like the video, hope it can be useful. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe, guys. See you next time.